destroyed the bedside. So this one is going to get I have the bed of a Chevy Silverado here. Got hit in this back corner, destroyed the bedside. So this one is going to get a new bedside, which I have right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting that one off, and once I get that one cut off, there's a little repair work I'll have to do on the structure where it mounts up right here, but it's very minor, and then I'll start fitting the new bedside up. So you guys can see how this has surface rust all on the inside of this wheelhouse right here. This truck isn't very old, but this is common with just about every truck out there. I don't know why they haven't figured out how to stop this. Insurance is not going to pay to clean all this up, but I'm going to just quickly clean it up and coat it just to hopefully help preserve it for longer. But that's about all I could do because insurance will not pay to repair rust damage. So I got this bedside all fit up. It fits very nicely. My taillight fits good. My gaps are nice and even at the tailgate. I went ahead and I put some sheet metal screws in a few different spots, and those I'm going to use as alignment holes. So when I lift this bedside back off, I'll lay out my panel bond adhesive where that's going to be, and then when I put it back on, I'll put the screws in the same holes, and that'll make sure it's sitting in the exact same spot.